Fireball, quick, fake tayo, fireball, fake engage easter, fake engage here. I need one D-tank to sell this. Fake engage easter, 5, 4, dito ang fake engage lang. Come back. Use GA. Real engage lang ha. Don't click the door. Re-engage tayo ha. Shallow, 5, 4, dito ang shallow. Come back, fast. Fast. Let them break the door.
Can someone check the
Scoot. Okay, east side bomb. Be careful. Be bomb yan. Hold on, Siglas.
Pahil pa yung mga...
Relinquish tayo again. Ready. Step up.
40 Amon, 40.
Fake engage.
Pag wala kayong EQ, queue lang kayo sa entrance.
Come back. Ready,
Bumaba.
4, 3, 2, 1. Sati.
Ito sa bomb coming.
Sati.
Hilamon.
Heals. Huwag kayong tulog. Holy fuck, man.
Nabim.
Wala kasi
Ay, come on.
38%.
Holding.
Yo, healers, heal Amon.
Scorons, please, huwag kayong mag-heal sa
Bomb coming.
Pick up. Hold on, Scorons.
It's ready.
Okay, real engage. D-tanks.
22 Amon, 22.
Okay, real engage tayo ha. D-tanks, be ready. Real engage, 5, real engage, 4, 3, 2, 1, east now. Real engage. Headbutt. Come back fast. You don't need
Dilipan.
D-tanks, to the front.
Okay, good job.
Nobody's dying. Hold on. Come back.
7%.
Listen, second phase.
Yo, second phase.
Brawlers. Second phase. Brawlers be ready.
Pile sa punch.
Once they go away, uga-buga. Brawlers. Hold on on your defensives, guys. Hold on on your defensives.
12 seconds.
Hold you. Walk up Ready, please. Ready headbutt Fake tayo dito
Dito sa wall kayo tumingin.
Fireball, you ready? Bam. Guys, ready for bomb, please. Hold you. Ready.
Heal Amon.
Heal. East. Come. Walk in. Brawlers. Come. Walk in lang. Cleanses. Uga. Walk in. Potion. Everything. Walk in south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 south. I need defensives, guys. Pati kayo nagpapap ng defensives. Patay ako, man.
Take over.
Second floor.
Raging.
Shit.
Let's heal the front. Heal. Go there, go west, go inside.
Heal on the gate.
Go inside. Okay, wait, chill. So, can someone take over? Any caller?
Bam.
No mark.
Fuck it. Live, please, live. I call again. Live. Mama.
Yo, do we have cooldowns, Red?
You still have DPS. You still have clap.
Yo, go inside.
Do you still have clap? Yes or no?
Yeah.
19% on the gate. Go inside.
Ready east. Ready headbutt east. 5. Ready headbutt 4. 3, 2, 1 headbutt. Shallow.
Damage. Bombs going coming. Care.
Maxwell, please. Come on. Cool down, CPS.
Bomb looking.
Get away from the fucking walls. Brawlers, are you... May brawlers pa ba tayo? Parang
Let them inside.
Marami brawlers.
DPS ready.
wala, hindi ramdam eh.
Ready.
Cool down, CPS. Ready? Fast engage siya. Sige, walk up, please. Walk up. Fast engage is 5. Shallow, 4, 3, 2, just on the gate lang. Shallow. Come back. Heal sa front.
30% on the gate.
Guys, do we still have clap DPS? I need to know, because we're doing...
I think we don't
More on
have.
brawl.
wala namang pumapasok na
Coming.
They're going.
Take space, do not go out. Take space, holy shit, nag-out kayo. Take space. Ready lang. Ready headbutt. Defenses play also headbutt. Defenses on headbutt.
Sa inyo yung castle,
Ready Pass clap tayo southeast actually. Hold. Pass. Ready, headbutt. Ready lang.
Yeah, ready, guys.
Start brawling. Start brawling.
Sa gilid yung bomba.
Start brawling. Start brawling. Brawl. Ready, easier. Shallow lang ha. Ano gate? 5. Shallow on the gate. 4, 3, 2, 1. Falling gate, EJ. Falling gate on the gate. Gate.
Wala na tamon, wala na.
Out na yan. Go out.
Oh, wait.
Ewan ko kung mali ko ba yun? You know? Is that my fault?
Hindi sa inyo ano eh.
Yeah,
Yung nasa first na sila. Tapos nag-call ka ng walkout. Huli na sila dun eh. Stock sila. Marami.
Wala eh. Ano nangyari sa brawlers ko, men? Akala ko may bayag kayo. Huwag kayong maglaro ng brawl kung wala kayong bayag. Mag-clap na lang kayo, mag-digitang na lang kayo.
Yo, careful. Sabong careful.
Akala ko ano, papasukin niya na yung walk na yun.
Pasok na yun eh.
Sayang
Lods,
yun ako.
pasok na yun eh.
Ah.
Walang, guy, all natures and all locuses, all cleanses on that fucking key so we can get out. And D-Tanks need to be the first to get out so you can disrupt any sort of fucking headbutt.
Walang
Listen, there's
cleanse
no
kanina,
defensives
kaya
again
naiinit.
on the headbutts. No defensives. Don't
We still have
say.
Mali rin tayo dyan. Di tayo nag-ano.
We still have
Gigante
18D.
Hindi, puno buhay ko eh. Bigla akong
We can't play this fucking Zerg.
Ayun nga. Kailangan
Just fucking go back to
pagpapasok ka
RTPS
doon,
comp.
maggagigantify ka na talaga.
Because you guys are too much of a pussy to play this comp. See, this is what I meant when I'm changing comps.
Huminto pa yung monitor.
People run Brawl, they run Halberds, they run fucking Infinity Blades, they run Astrals, but they play like an RDPS. Bro, why are you scared? Anyone has VOD? Let's VOD review real quick. Just one set and done. I'm not gonna throw another fucking set, bro. That was a win. 100%
I have a
win.
vote from
Yeah.
your call. From the back if you want.
Good. Because they fully committed, guys. They're fully committed on that play. They're like, all their backline is on. All of them are in first floor. None of them are outside. We just need to sandwich them. Maybe I should have played a little bit more slower. I don't know. It might be my problem. It might be my,
Timing na yan, Amon. Timing na yan eh.
it might be my call. I don't know, man.
I think
Might be my call.
next time the other